Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting solid perfume. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients: a solid wax, a nourishing carrier oil, and your chosen fragrance oil. These three components are the foundation of any great solid perfume. The wax provides the necessary structure and helps to lock in the scent, ensuring it stays with you for many hours throughout your day. Achieving the perfect blend is crucial for a long-lasting scent. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of your chosen wax to carrier oil. For the fragrance, aim for about 10 to 20% of the total volume. Begin by gently melting your wax and carrier oil together in a double boiler. Once melted, remove from heat and carefully stir in your fragrance oil until fully combined. To truly maximize your solid perfume's longevity, ingredient choice is key. Opt for high-quality fragrance oils, as they naturally last longer. Including fragrance notes that are considered base notes will also significantly extend the scent's presence. For an extra boost, consider adding just a few drops of vitamin E oil, which acts as a natural fixative. Proper storage in an airtight container also helps preserve the scent. Applying your solid perfume correctly ensures the best experience. Gently warm a small amount with your fingertip and apply it to your pulse points, such as your wrists or neck, where your body heat will help diffuse the fragrance. You can reapply a small amount throughout the day whenever you wish to refresh your scent. Remember to store your solid perfume in a cool, dry place to maintain its solid form and preserve its beautiful aroma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.